They've been lying to you about solar. What if I told you solar power isn't expensive, and you could start powering your essentials for under $500? Most people think solar is too costly, too weak, or only works for huge off-grid homes. They believe the myths that solar is a luxury for the wealthy or something that only works in perfect sunny weather. But that's just not the truth. The reality is, you don't need a massive, expensive system to start gaining energy independence. Let's break down how it really works. It's simpler than you think. Solar panels capture sunlight, converting it into electricity. This energy then flows to a battery where it's stored for later use. With even a small, affordable setup, you have a personal power bank ready to charge your phones, laptops, lights, and yes, even a small fridge without breaking the bank or relying on the grid. Now let's bust some of those myths wide open. Myth number 1. Solar is too expensive. The reality? You can start small with a budget-friendly setup for around $300 to $500. Myth number 2. It doesn't work on cloudy days. The reality is that modern panels still produce power in overcast conditions, and the battery stores that energy so you have power ready whenever you need it. And myth number 3. You need a huge setup. The reality is that just 1 or 2 panels paired with a small battery can easily power your most important devices. Modern small-scale solar is cheap, effective, and surprisingly powerful. So what do you need to get started? Here's a simple DIY starter setup. First, calculate your daily energy needs in watt-hours to know how much power you'll use. Next, choose 1 or 2 100-watt solar panels. Then, pick a small battery, somewhere between 500 and 1000 watt-hours. You'll also need a charge controller to protect the battery. I recommend an MPPT controller for better efficiency. Finally, add an inverter to convert the battery's DC power to AC for your regular appliances. Connect it all safely, and that's it. You're ready to power your essentials. You don't need to spend thousands. Let's look at a realistic cost breakdown. The panel or panels can run you anywhere from $80 to $260. A reliable battery will be between $150 and $300. And the controller and inverter together will cost about $80 to $100. All in, you're looking at a functional starter setup for just $300 to $500, depending on your specific needs. Even with a small setup like this, you can power your daily essentials. You can keep your phones charged, your laptop running for work or entertainment, your LED lights on at night, and even run a small, efficient fridge. It gives you the freedom to keep going, even when the sun isn't shining or the grid goes down. You don't need a massive solar farm to make a difference. The path to energy freedom starts with a single step. Start small, start cheap, and take control of your power today. If this helped you see solar in a new light, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on achieving true energy independence. Thanks for watching.